What's up YouTube, DB Productions here, and today's video I'm going to be demoing off one of these silver to red stars with tail Roman candle 10 shots by the Great American Firework Company, which is a off-brand Supreme, I believe. I'm really looking forward to lighting these off to see how they look. Again, I'm only lighting one of them off just to see how they hold up on if I want to use them in the show, but stay tuned. Roman candle. Okay. Here you guys go. That was the demo of